This 2025 Forest River FR3 Plus 33Z is a Class A RV. It is located in Alvarado, Texas, 76009 and is offered for sale by Motorhome Specialist. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 35 feet 1 inch in length and features a Mink Tobacco interior. This 2025 Forest River FR3 Plus 33Z is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.